Have you ever wondered how important your nervous system is to your overall health? Whether you're managing chronic nerve pain, recovering from an injury, or simply looking to protect your nervous system as you age, the right nutrients can make a huge difference. In this video, we'll explore 7 incredible vitamins that not only help repair damaged nerves, but also keep them functioning at their best. If you're ready to boost your nerve health naturally and improve your quality of life, keep watching to discover how these powerful nutrients can support you from the inside out. Chapter 1. Vitamin B1, to the protector of your nerves. Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient for maintaining the health of your nervous system. What many people don't realize is how critical it is for nerve regeneration and repair. B12 helps produce myelin, a protective coating that surrounds nerves and ensures they can send signals efficiently throughout your body. When myelin is damaged, it can lead to symptoms like tingling, numbness, and even more severe nerve dysfunction. Whether the damage comes from diabetes, injury, or toxins, vitamin B12 plays a key role in the recovery process, helping to restore normal function and protect against future issues. One of the more fascinating roles of B12 is its ability to prevent oxidative stress in nerve cells. Oxidative stress is when harmful molecules known as free radicals attack healthy cells, leading to premature aging and damage. By preventing this oxidative stress, B12 doesn't just support nerve health, it helps keep your body's entire energy system running smoothly. People with low levels of B12 often feel fatigued and weak because their nerves can't transmit signals properly, leading to a slower overall response in the body. Maintaining sufficient levels of B12 is particularly important for vegans and vegetarians, as this vitamin is primarily found in animal products like meat, fish, and dairy. If you fall into this category or have issues absorbing B12 naturally, supplementation can be essential. It's one of those hidden powerhouse vitamins that, although often overlooked, can truly transform how your nervous system operates on a daily basis. Even small deficiencies in B12 can have a noticeable impact on nerve function and overall vitality. Vitamin B12 isn't just about maintaining normal nerve function, it can actually help reverse nerve damage. For people suffering from conditions like peripheral neuropathy, supplementing with B12 has been shown to improve symptoms, rebuild damaged myelin, and speed up recovery. It's like giving your nervous system the fuel it needs to repair itself. And while most people associate B12 with energy, its real power lies in protecting and healing your nerves from the inside out. Chapter 2. Vitamin E, the nerve-shielding antioxidant. Vitamin E is another crucial nutrient when it comes to nerve health, but its role is often overlooked. Known primarily for its antioxidant properties, vitamin E serves as a powerful defense against free radicals that can damage nerve cells. This protection is essential because nerve cells are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation and degeneration. What makes vitamin E stand out is its ability to shield these delicate cells, preserving their function and helping to prevent further damage. One lesser-known benefit of vitamin E is its impact on the immune system. A healthy immune system is key to the repair of damaged nerves, as it works to clear away dead cells and create the ideal conditions for nerve regeneration. When vitamin E levels are optimal, the immune system can function more efficiently, speeding up recovery from nerve injuries and protecting against future problems. This makes vitamin E particularly important for people recovering from traumatic injuries or neurodegenerative conditions. Interestingly, studies have shown that a deficiency in vitamin E can lead to serious neurological issues. This is because without its antioxidant protection, nerve cells are much more likely to be damaged by oxidative stress. This not only causes immediate symptoms, like muscle weakness and coordination problems, but also increases the risk of long-term nerve degeneration. Ensuring you get enough vitamin E through foods like nuts, seeds, and leafy greens or through supplementation is an easy yet effective way to support nerve health. Incorporating vitamin E into your daily routine isn't just about protection. It's about creating a foundation for long-term nerve resilience. Whether you're dealing with an existing nerve condition or simply looking to prevent future problems, vitamin E is an essential nutrient that helps your nerves recover and thrive. Chapter 3. Alpha-lipoic acid, the nerve regenerator. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is a powerhouse when it comes to nerve protection and regeneration. What sets ALA apart from many other nutrients is its dual role as both a water and fat-soluble antioxidant, meaning it can work throughout your entire body to reduce inflammation and combat free radicals. This unique ability makes it particularly effective at protecting nerve cells, which are often the first to suffer from oxidative stress. For people suffering from diabetic neuropathy, a condition that causes nerve damage due to high blood sugar, ALA has been shown to significantly improve nerve function and reduce pain. Another fascinating aspect of alpha-lipoic acid is its ability to regenerate other antioxidants in the body, like vitamin C and E. This means that In addition to its own powerful antioxidant effects, ALA boosts the effectiveness of other antioxidants already working to protect your nerves. It's like having a built-in support system for your entire antioxidant network, helping to restore balance and promote healing. This enhanced protection is critical for maintaining healthy nerve function over time, particularly in cases where chronic inflammation or oxidative damage is present. ALA also plays a crucial role in improving blood flow to the nerves, which is essential for healing. Nerves rely on a steady supply of nutrients and oxygen to repair themselves, and poor circulation can slow down this process. By increasing blood flow, ALA helps ensure that your nerves get the nourishment they need to regenerate more quickly and efficiently. This makes it a popular supplement not only for those dealing with diabetic neuropathy, but also for people recovering from injuries or surgeries that may have impacted their nervous system. Incorporating ALA into your wellness routine can be as simple as eating more ALA-rich foods, like spinach and broccoli, or through supplementation. Its ability to target inflammation, regenerate antioxidants, and enhance blood flow makes it an invaluable ally in the journey to nerve repair. Chapter 4. Thiamine, Vitamin B1, the natural nerve protector. Thiamine, or vitamin B1, is one of the most important nutrients when it comes to protecting your nerves from damage. Especially for those dealing with high blood sugar levels, thiamine helps convert carbohydrates into energy, which is essential for nerve cells to function properly. But its true value lies in its ability to protect nerve cells from the harmful effects of high glucose levels, making it especially critical for individuals with diabetes. In fact, studies have shown that people with diabetes are often deficient in thiamine, and this deficiency can lead to diabetic neuropathy, a condition where nerves are damaged due to prolonged high blood sugar. What makes thiamine stand out is its ability to actively repair nerve damage and alleviate the symptoms of neuropathy. In clinical studies, supplementing with thiamine has been shown to improve nerve conduction, but essentially how fast signals move through the nerves. This means that damaged nerves can begin to function more normally, reducing pain, numbness, and tingling. This is why thiamine is often recommended as part of a comprehensive treatment plan for individuals experiencing nerve pain, particularly those with diabetes or alcohol-related nerve damage. Another interesting role of thiamine is in reducing inflammation, which is a key factor in many types of nerve damage. When the nerves are inflamed, it can lead to increased pain and hinder the healing process. By lowering inflammation, thiamine not only helps reduce pain, but also creates a more favorable environment for nerves to regenerate. This anti-inflammatory property is part of what makes thiamine so effective at helping nerves recover, particularly when used alongside other B vitamins. Adding thiamine to your diet is simple. It's found in foods like whole grains, legumes, and pork. But for those dealing with nerve damage, higher doses through supplementation may be necessary to see real improvements. Thiamine works behind the scenes to protect and heal your nerves, making it an essential vitamin for anyone looking to support their nervous system, especially in the face of ongoing challenges like diabetes or chronic nerve pain. Chapter 5. Omega-3 Fatty Acids. The nerve healer. Omega-3 fatty acids are widely known for their heart and brain health benefits, but they also play a key role in healing and protecting your nerves. These essential fats are particularly effective at reducing inflammation, which is one of the main culprits behind nerve damage and neuropathy. What sets omega-3s apart is their ability to repair the myelin sheath, a protective covering around your nerves that allows them to transmit signals efficiently. When myelin is damaged, as it often is in conditions like multiple sclerosis or diabetic neuropathy, omega-3s help to rebuild it, restoring nerve function and alleviating symptoms. What's particularly fascinating about omega-3s is their ability to promote neuroplasticity, the brain and nervous system's ability to adapt and heal itself. Studies have shown that regular consumption of omega-3s can improve nerve regeneration after injury, enhancing the body's natural ability to repair damaged neural pathways. This makes them especially beneficial for individuals recovering from traumatic injuries or surgeries that affect the nervous system, as well as those dealing with chronic nerve damage. Beyond their regenerative effects, omega-3s are also highly effective at preventing further nerve damage. They help reduce oxidative stress, which can accelerate nerve degeneration, and support overall nerve health by promoting a stable, anti-inflammatory environment in the body. This makes them invaluable for long-term nerve protection, especially for people with chronic conditions like diabetes or autoimmune disorders, which often lead to nerve issues over time. Incorporating omega-3s into your diet can be as simple as eating fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, or mackerel, or taking a high-quality fish oil supplement. Plant-based sources, such as flax seeds and chia seeds, also offer omega-3s, though in a slightly different form. By consistently including these healthy fats in your diet, you're not only supporting your heart and brain, but giving your nervous system the tools it needs to heal and protect itself naturally. Chapter 6. Magnesium, the nervous system calmer. Magnesium is often hailed as a miracle mineral for its ability to calm the nervous system and reduce stress. But its benefits go far beyond relaxation. One of magnesium's most important roles is in protecting nerves from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can cause significant damage over time. Magnesium helps maintain the health of the nerve cells by regulating calcium levels, which is critical for preventing overstimulation of the nerves. When nerves are overstimulated, they can become damaged, leading to symptoms like muscle spasms, pain, and even long-term nerve degeneration. What many people don't know is that magnesium is also essential for nerve regeneration. It plays a vital role in neurogenesis, the process through which new nerve cells are created. This makes magnesium especially important for individuals recovering from nerve injuries or those suffering from conditions like peripheral neuropathy. By promoting the growth of new nerve cells, magnesium helps your body repair itself more efficiently, supporting faster recovery from nerve-related pain and dysfunction. Magnesium's ability to calm the nervous system is particularly beneficial for managing nerve pain. By reducing nerve excitability and improving nerve transmission, magnesium helps to relieve pain associated with nerve damage. For example, people who experience migraines or fibromyalgia often find that increasing their magnesium intake can significantly reduce the frequency and intensity of their symptoms. This is because magnesium helps to balance the signals being sent through the nervous system, preventing overactive nerves from causing discomfort. You can boost your magnesium levels by consuming magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, and pumpkin seeds, or through supplements if needed. In addition to its calming effects, magnesium provides long-term protection for your nerves, making it an essential nutrient for anyone looking to maintain a healthy and resilient nervous system. Whether you're seeking to ease nerve pain or promote nerve healing, magnesium is a natural, powerful solution to keep your nervous system functioning smoothly. Chapter 7. Curcumin, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric, is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories known, and its effects on nerve health are nothing short of remarkable. Chronic inflammation is a leading cause of nerve damage, contributing to conditions like neuropathy and neurodegenerative diseases. Curcumin works by targeting and reducing this inflammation at the root, providing relief from pain and helping to protect the nerves from further damage. It's especially effective in managing symptoms of peripheral neuropathy, where inflammation causes painful sensations like burning, tingling, and numbness. What sets curcumin apart is its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, a selective membrane that protects the brain from harmful substances, but also makes it difficult for many compounds to reach the nervous system. This unique property allows curcumin to directly influence nerve cells in both the brain and body, making it a powerful tool, not only for peripheral nerve health, but also for cognitive function and brain protection. In fact, research has shown that curcumin can support neurogenesis, the creation of new nerve cells, making it valuable for both healing existing damage and preventing future issues. Curcumin's neuroprotective properties don't stop at reducing inflammation. It also acts as a strong antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals that can damage nerve cells over time. This dual action of fighting both inflammation and oxidative stress makes curcumin incredibly effective at not only treating nerve damage, but also safeguarding the nervous system against the effects of aging and chronic disease. For people at risk of neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, curcumin offers a natural defense by slowing the progression of these diseases and supporting overall nerve health. Adding curcumin to your routine is simple, whether through turmeric spice in your meals or concentrated curcumin supplements for a more potent effect. Combining it with black pepper enhances its absorption, ensuring you get the maximum benefits for your nervous system. With its wide-ranging effects on both brain and nerve health, curcumin stands as a natural, powerful ally in protecting and healing your nerves. Conclusion: maintaining a healthy nervous system is essential for living a pain-free and energized life. The vitamins and nutrients we've covered, like vitamin B12, alpha-lipoic acid, and omega-3 fatty acids each, play unique roles in protecting and repairing nerve cells, reducing inflammation, and supporting the regeneration of vital nerve pathways. By incorporating these nutrients into your daily routine, you're not just treating nerve damage, you're laying the foundation for long-term nerve health and resilience. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. Let us know in the comments which of these vitamins you're excited to try, or if you have other suggestions for improving nerve health. Thanks for watching, and take control of your nerve health today by embracing these natural, powerful solutions.